Ang ginawa ko sa Hongsheng hanggang SEC lang. I think that was pandemic time, so hindi ako mismo ang nag-release ng dokumento sa SEC. So I even told your, may pumunta sa bahay, si Cecil Lardizabal, in-inform ko siya na for you to find out kung sinong nag-release niyan, go back to SEC Tarlac. From there, may logbook yan. Hindi nila i-release yung dokumento, not unless nakasign ka doon kung sino yung mga pangalan mo and contact number.
Alright, correct. Aside from incorporating the papers, meron pa ba ho, for Hongsheng and Junyuan, meron pa ho kayong ibang ginawa na services for them? For example, SSS? Or...
Ay, wala na po, sir.
So,
it's basically, ano lang po, sa Junyuan, SEC Incorporation, at saka yung BIR registration.
Okay. I heard you earlier that meron kayong PAGCOR application?
Ang requirements po kasi ng yung ganyang